was an amazing movie.
Yeah, that was awesome.
Did you enjoy that, Olivia?
I did. And did you see the guy in front of us, the dad? He was like laughing. And
Yeah.
I think that he might have cried.
Yeah, I think so too, at the very end, right?
Yeah.
It was sad.
No. Even before that, I think.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's true.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, when one of the toys got reunited, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh,
that
but
was
we
so
shouldn't give
nice.
too much away. Oops.
Oh yeah. Kids, we're not going to tell you too much about the story, but I will tell you this. Bo Peep is amazing. Like the most amazing shepherd woman in the world.
That's true. I was quite impressed. I mean, I went to watch Toy Story 4 for Woody, but I do have to say, I was very impressed by Bo Peep's skill. I mean, she's just amazing. She really reminded me of who I once was in Toy Story 1.
Aww. And does it make you realize that Bo Peep is actually the best?
Well, I don't know if I would go that far, but
I definitely think I would go that far. Yep.
I learned that Bo Peep is amazing. And she's very intelligent, she's very resourceful, and I just remember in Toy Story 1, I was very resourceful with toys. And she certainly reminded me of how that can be awesome.
Yeah, and how all the toys can like work together, and how they know each other and help each other.
Yeah.
But how even toys make mistakes. Even toys like Woody or Bo Peep too. Like they both make mistakes because everyone has to keep learning lessons for their whole life.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But Bo Peep certainly learned, like, not only taught Woody a lesson, but she certainly also taught me a lesson. So,
Aw.
yeah.
That's great.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think she taught me a lesson too.
Yeah.
Yeah. And
And?
I think I'm gonna make a cape. Yeah, right?
Yeah, you should make a cape for Bo and for yourself.
Yeah, I think I can. I think that Bo would have a really, really awesome cape. She'd look so good. And
Yeah.
oh man. Oh, and what about the new guy from Canada? Yeah.
Duke Kaboom. Yeah, Duke
Shout
Kaboom is
out.
amazing.
Yeah, he was super amazing. He could like fly through the air and
Yeah.
whoa.
Canada boom.
Woo. And there you go. Yes, Canada.
Yeah, that was funny. And Bunny was funny too. The two bunnies.
Oh yeah, the bunnies were really funny.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, kids, for Toy Story 4, there were definitely some very cool new characters that I think I've never met before, and that they were really, really awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I think there's a lot of, well, I know that it's one of my favorite shapes, so it might be not cool to say it, but I think there was a lot of heart.
Oh.
That part might be more for the parents.
Yeah.
But I think it was really good.
Yeah, that's true. It was another cool adventure, and I do have to say, you know, sometimes I'm scared of going to school.
Oh.
You know, just like Bonnie,
Yeah.
she didn't want to go to orientation. But the thing is, it just reminded me too of how important my toys are in order to get me through that day.
Yeah. Yeah, me too. I know that I've been really excited about school, but I'm also a little bit nervous.
Yeah.
And it was nice to see that even if something's hard, there's a way to make it better and to get through it, and that it's all about just, you know,
That's true.
making new friends.
And now I hope that we can also go to carnival. Maybe we can convince Mom and Dad for us to go to carnival, because that would be fun too. And who knows, maybe we'll meet some new kids and get to play with new toys too.
Yeah, for sure. I'd like to go on the merry-go-round and ooh, the Ferris wheel.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh wow, that's so neat.
Yeah, that would be fun. Yeah.
Yeah. What's in your hand?
Oh, this is actually a toy. Well, I don't know if it's a Toy Story 4 gift, but I got this when I just got out of the movie.
Yeah, I think it's a present, or
Yep.
I don't know, something for us to remember it by. We can maybe hang it up in our room.
Yeah, well,
No?
who did you get?
Oh, well, I mean, mine's still really, really cool. It's not the one I would have chosen, but I really like it.
You
want me to tell you?
I think I want to trade with you, because, or at least you want to trade with me, because I think I have somebody who you want.
Well, I think that you probably want to trade with me.
Do you have Woody?
I do have Woody.
Oh yeah, and I have Bo Peep.
Woody!
Look.
Oh yay! Oh yay! Woo! Woo! Yay!
Although Bo Peep was pretty awesome, maybe I should keep her. Maybe I can have both.
Nope, that's not how a trade works.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
Then I'll just watch Toy Story 4 again, and maybe then I'll get a Bo Peep card.
Yeah, let's watch it again. We'll see maybe we'll get all of them.
Okay, well, why don't I trade this time so I can get Woody, you get Bo, and then we'll see which other cards we'll get.
Yeah, and then we'll get all of them, and we'll make a puzzle, or who knows?
Yeah, we can collect them all.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
Right.
Okay.
Right.
Well, kids, we can definitely recommend watching Toy Story 4.
Yep, absolutely.
To both you, the kids, and your mom and dad. So I hope that you will enjoy it just as much as we did.
Yeah, I really think you will. It was really fun. It had everything. There was action and adventure and new toys and just so much.
And like you said, it had a lot of heart.
Yeah, and a lot of heart.
Yep.
Great.
Okay, kids. We're gonna go select our next movie, right?
Ooh, yeah. Oh, what do you think about maybe The Lion King?
The Lion King.
Oh, good. It sounds like
I
you're
want to
into
see that one.
Okay, great. Me too.
Okay.
All right. Bye, kids. Thank you for coming.
Yeah, bye.
Have fun. Enjoy
this
the
is our movie
movies.
review.
Yeah, enjoy.
Bye.
Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. They are the dreamers and they love to dream. Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.